Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be sowing these schizanthus dwarf bouquet mix. I'm really looking forward to growing these because you can grow these as a greenhouse, as a house plant as well. It's going out into your borders. It's a half hardy annual. It says here, if I can read that, sow in pots or trays of moist compost, cover with a very fine sprinkling of vermiculite. Keep it between 20 to 25 Celsius, 68 to 77 Fahrenheit. After sowing, do not exclude light as this helps germination. Keep the surface of the compost moist but not waterlogged. Germination usually takes 14 to 21 days, although check regularly as seedlings occasionally germinate earlier. Aftercare: when large enough to handle, transplant seedlings into 7.5 cm 3-inch pots or trays, gradually acclimatise to cooler conditions before planting out after August frost has passed. Transplant 12 inches apart. Prefers a sheltered sunny site and a moist, well-drained soil. Can also be sown in August and September for early summer flowering next year. Overwinter plants in cool, light, frost-free conditions before planting out the following spring, or growing as a greenhouse plant. So yeah, let's get these open, shall we? There's 140 seeds in here, so plenty. What shall we? Get that out a little bit. Yeah, I'm using peat-based compost. It's got a little bit of vermiculite mixed in by mistake, but that's not the end of the world. And these, there you go, down there. So you can see those quite big seeds, so it should be quite easy to sow. All you want to do then is just get your hand and just give it a tap all the way up and down. Get them all nicely spread out. Once that's done like so, all I tend to do is just give them a little water from the top and put them over here into my tray. Hi, monkey. Monkey's alright. Never lifts the paw though. As you can see today, I've got the heater turned off at the moment. It's 11.6 and it's 72% humidity. It's pretty high. So yeah, go in my tray there until they're watered through, and then just a quick spin back round. Then a lid will go on with the name tag, and then we shall place them around here like these are. This is my heated bench with my lights. They shall go, I'll take these out, they shall go there. Along with my tomatoes, I've got spring onions, all sorts in here, absolute petunias, penstemons. So yeah, that's where they'll go. So yeah, if you've got any questions how to sow them, how to grow them, don't hesitate to ask folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and always happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.